Hello everyone. Today we will learn about Express.js in 2026, how it is used to build backend, how it works in real projects, and how it connects with AI. If you are learning MERN stack, Node.js, or full stack development, this video will help you understand where Express.js fits in and how it to use it like a professional. What is Express.js? Let's start simple. Express.js is a simple and easy to use tools that runs on top of Node.js. It helps us build server and API easily using three things: routing, middleware, and handling request response. One important point: Node.js is the engine and Express.js is the tool built on top of it. Express sits in the middle between the client and the other part of the app, like database and outside services. Why Express.js still matters in 2026? Why do people still use Express in 2026? Because it is simple, flexible, has a big community and lot of read made tools. It also works well with MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and Redis, and is still a top choice of MERN project. Yes, there are other options too, like Festify, Nest.js, Hono, and plain Node.js, but Express is still popular because it is easy to learn and easy to use. How Express.js works. Let's understand how a request travel inside Express. The user send a request to the server. Middleware checks things like login logs or data format. The router send the request to the correct function based on URL and method. The controller manage the request. The service handle the main logic. The service talk to the database or outside API. Finally, the response goes back to the user. Routing and middleware. Two important things to know: routing and middleware. Routing decide what happen for different actions: get, post, put, patch, delete. Middleware works in between. It can check logic, write logs, check data, control request, speed limit, and handle errors. Each middleware can check the request, change it, stop it, or send it forward. This step-by-step system is one of the best thing about Express.js. Production grade Express architecture. When a grow big, good structure become very important. A well-built Express project should have separate folder for routes, controllers, service models, middlewares, validator, setting, and helper files. This make the code easy to understand, easy to test, easy to fix, and easy to teams to work together. Golden rule: don't put business logic inside route files. Database and API integration. Express.js is not a database itself. It is the layer that connects everything. Express can connect to MongoDB using Mongo's, Postgre using Prisma, Redis for fast caching. It can also connect to outside service like payment system, email service, file storage, and AI tools. Best practice: keep this connection code inside the server layer, use transaction when needed, manage database connection properly, and always keep password keys inside environment variable. Security: keep your Express API safe. Security should be part of the app from day one. Never trust data coming from the user. Always check it first. After that, use authentication and authorization. Add rate limiting to stop misuse. Also use safe course setting security, header safe login token, and proper secret management. Think of security like a checkpoint. Data must pass through it before reaching the main logic. Error handling and observability. Every app fails sometime. That normals. The goal is to fail safely and understand why it failed. Use one central place to handle errors, use correct status code, and handle async error properly. Also, keep watching your app using clear logs, request IDs, performance numbers, and tracking tools. Popular tools Open Telemetry, Prometheus, Grafana, Elastic Stack. At a big scale, watching your system closely is not optional. It's the only way to fix problem fast. Performance and scalability. Is- Performance is not just about a powerful server to make your app fast. Use non-blocking code, improve database queries, add indexes, break large data into pages, save repeated data using caching. Avoid heavy calculation directly inside request handler to handle more users. Keep the app stateless and run many copies of it behind a load balancer. Use background job queues for long tasks. Deploying Express.js in 2026. A modern development A modern deployment process usually starts on GitHub and goes through an automatic pipeline (CI/CD). Docker is used to package the app so it runs the same everywhere. This package is stored in a container registry, then run on cloud server on Kubernetes. Other important things: reverse proxy like Nginx, environment setting, health checks, and safe shutdown. AI with Express.js. Now let's connect Express.js with AI. Express act like a safe middleman between the front and the AI service. Frontend send a request. Express check login and data. Express send the request to the AI service. This setup is used to chatbot, reading documents, smart search, summarize text, classification, recommendation, and automation. Most important reason, this keep you AI keys and business logic safe on the back end, not visible on the front end. How to integrate AI effectively? Just calling an AI API is not enough for a real app. Best practice: keep AI code inside its own service layer. Check user input carefully. Protect your API key. Ask AI for structured answer. Add timeouts. Plan retire carefully. Stream answers when it improve your user experience. Use caching where possible. Control how many tokens you use. The AI service works together with vector database and your business data. Never fully trusted AI output. Express should manage AI, not become the AI. Modern Express.js anti-pattern and best practice. Let's look at a common mistake: putting database code, business logic, AI calls, login checks, and error handling all inside one big route file. It may work at first but become very hard to manage later. A better way is to split the works into middleware, controller, service, repository, and separate AI service. Avoid gent route files, secret key, writing in code, missing validation, blocking code, and messy error handling. Instead, follow can modular structure, popular validation, good observability, security by default, and automated testing. Key takeaway: let's summarize everything. Express is still simple, stable, and flexible. Good structure matters more than trends. Middleware, service, and validation are the best of any solid API. Security and monitoring are must haves, not extras. Stateless design helps your app scale easily. AI should always go through a safe backend service. Modern Express development is more than just making endpoint. It includes APIs, cloud, DevOps, security, monitoring, and AI. Thank you.